We're starting another chapter now in our AutoCAD Essential Training course, and we're going to look at some additional text techniques that are available to you in AutoCAD. We've got a new drawing for you. It's using text.dwg, and as usual, you can download it from the website to follow along with the videos. Now, you'll also notice as well that we've got the text layer current in the Layers panel in the Home tab on the ribbon. So just make sure that if you haven't got that text layer current, that you select it from the layer drop-down like so. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to look at aligning text and getting it to either align to the left-hand side or the right-hand side. Now, you'll notice in the top right corner in the offices there of the floor plan that we've got some text describing the usage of each of the offices. So just using your mouse, get your crosshair over the offices, roll up on the wheel, and then do a little bit of zooming and panning so that you can see each of the offices. Now, these offices here, 1 and 2, are single line text. Now, what I want is I want Office 1 to align to the left-hand side and Office 2 to align to the right-hand side. It's very quick and easy to do. Just select the text with a little crossing window like that. Right-click and go to Properties. In the Properties palette, you can see the justification at the moment is middle center. If you click on it and click on the down arrow and select middle left, and then close your Properties palette, you'll see that they have obviously justified to the left. What you can do now is another right-click, select Move, pick a point on the text somewhere, perhaps just move it over near the door, and you can see they're nicely aligned to the left-hand side. Let's do the same with Office RM002. Select both bits of single line text, and then we'll just right-click and go to Properties. Again, you'll see the justification is middle center. So just click on the down arrow there and set that to middle right this time. And then close the Properties palette, and you'll see that they've aligned to the right. Right-click again with them still selected, select Move, pick a point near the text, and we'll just drag that over near the door and click there. And then just make sure you hit Escape a couple of times just to make sure that nothing is remaining selected in the selection set. So you can see we've aligned the text there to the left and to the right. Now, Office RM003 is multi-line text. So how do you justify that to either the left or the right? Well, I would like this text to go to the left. So I select the text, double click on it, and you'll see the text editor kicks in on the ribbon at the top of the screen. So we're now in the text editor, the multi-line text editor, and what I want to do is select all of the text by highlighting it. I go to the paragraph panel here on the text editor tab, and there's my justification. So I'm going to select middle left. As you can see, it all justifies across. I get a little preview of that. I close the text editor, job done. I can select the text, right click, use Move on the shortcut menu, pick a point near the text, and I'll move that, let's say, up near the door here like so. So you can see that you can alter the justification of your text and align each bit of text so that it all justifies to the left or the right if you want to do that in your AutoCAD drawings.